What's up, friends? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your contacts CSV files in Zoom. So if you have contacts already imported in Zoom and you have a new CSV file that you want to re-import, then this is the perfect video for you because I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side, and as you can see right here, I'm using the app on my PC, the Zoom app, and you'll see as well how you can do that within the web version. Now, the important thing is that this is done in the web version, so it's going to open up your web version anyways. And so you want to get started by clicking your account on the upper right and go ahead and click in profile. So you hover over profile and click in my profile. As you can see, it opens up the profile in the web version, and so it's going to take you right into your account and your profile on the left hand side. So on the my account you can find profile, then below that you will see contacts, personal contacts. So you click on that and you will see the current contacts that you have. Now if you look to the upper right here in the section, you will see replace with CSV, right? So you can go ahead and click on that. It takes you basically in the same steps that you need to re-import. So from here, just go ahead and click on drag and drop your new CSV file, or simply click on select CSV file and select that CSV file. You click on the file, then click on that replace button right here. If you're doing it for the first time, it's going to just basically say upload, and you'll be able to upload that CSV file. But in this case, as you're replacing it, you have the word replace, and you just do replace and it's going to replace it for you. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily go ahead and replace your new CSV contact file with the current contacts that you have in Zoom. That's pretty much it.